Do you know what time it is? I gotta go to class soon.
No, I don't know. I don't have my phone either.
Can we use a sundial?
I have no idea how to. Wait, what is that?
What's that? I heard you guys forgot to watch it somewhere. Let me tell you how to work this bad boy. The first thing you gotta do is locate the gnomon. It tells you exactly that the shadow is cast between 10 and 11 o'clock. But that's not all. You gotta come over here, right, to the September, and today is September 12th, of course, to figure out that you need to subtract 4 to 5 from the time the sundial says. It says that it is about 10:27 a.m., but subtracting 4 to 5 should give it about 10:22, 10:23. It's 10:24. I missed by 1 minute, but you get the point. You won't be late to class if you use my method. Back to you guys. Thanks.
Thanks.
Thank you. I gotta go to class. Just here to help and save your day.
The first way that humans learned to tell time was by marking the shadow of a stick in the dirt at a certain time of day. In 3500 BC, ancient Egyptians built tall stone towers called obelisks that were visible across great distances. These tall towers eventually evolved into what is now considered the gnomon, a fundamental component of the sundial that casts a shadow onto the face of the sundial. Astronomers realized that to record accurate time, the gnomon needs to be tilted at a 23.5 degree angle, parallel to the Earth's axis. Depending on your latitude and longitude, however, this angle may vary.
You may notice that on a sundial, there are many different lines. They are the latitude and longitude. The latitude is the lateral line running across the sundial from east to west. The longitude is the line that goes from north to south, depending on which way you're looking at the map. The way that I remember lateral is like in football, when the quarterback gets the ball and laterals it to his running back, who should be over there. Did you know that in the old days, the first sundials had a very straight gnomon, very perpendicular to the slab, the gabbro, if you will. Now, the Deerfield Academy sundial has changed their gnomon so it points due north to the star Polaris. In the Renaissance time period, the sundial added this part down here. These zodiac symbols help tell you when the seasons start and end, and when the sun sets and rises. We have yet to crack the code of the zodiac symbols. We are still working on it though. The gabbro, the rock that is beneath the Deerfield Academy sundial, made from a very thick substance, very similar to marble, right? Very soft, like a kitty soft. And it's made in the Shaanxi province in China. The gnomon, this little gold ball right here, tells you exactly where the sun is. Right now the sun is in the eastern Atlantic, right off the coast of Brazil. It's telling us where the sun is. The sun is right here. When we look at the long pole that is casting the shadow, it tells us that it's between 9 and 10, which means that it is before 10 and after 9. It says roughly 9:42 on this, but since we know that it is September 11th today, we have to subtract 3 to 4, because that's what it tells us to do, right? Yep. And then we subtract 3 to 4, we should get around 9:40.
9:40.
Can you please show us that?
9:40. Amazing.
I don't know if you can see that.
Where's the 9 to 10? How'd you figure that out? Did you know that in Boston, which is right over here, the noon time is 6 minutes before noon time at Deerfield, Mass. Thank you.
Oh my gosh, what time is it? And then read it and then like sprint the other way.
Whoa! The way I remember it is lateral, meaning like lateraling a football, is the latitude. So that's not a word, is it?
Where is it? Where is it?
It's on my glasses. I would run.
Crazy amount of bees here. It's kind of weird.
It's on my face right now.
Oh my.
It's gone.
It's gone. All right, good.